Hi students, I hope you are writing your first midterm test. On this, today you are going to write your maths exam. On this exam point of view, we are going to revise today's class. So first I give the question paper pattern to you. In this, you have to write 5 choose, 5 2 marks and 4 5 marks. In total 35 marks and 15 marks for a internal assessment. We already revised 2 marks, 1 marks and 5 marks for the last 3 weeks. So if you revise these questions again, it is well and good. So for today's revision, I give the same 5 marks to you. Just go through it. Here in the exercise 1.5, first we are going to do the fourth sum. Here the question is, verify A union B intersection C is equal to A union B intersection A union C using Venn diagram. So we are going to use the Venn diagram. Here 3 sets A, B, C are. First the LHS, we have to find A union B intersection C. For that the first diagram represents the B intersection C. That means the common part between B and C. Next we are going to find the A union B intersection C. Now we are going to include the A with B intersection C. So the B intersection C plus A gives the diagram 2. Then to the right hand side, first we are going to find A union B. A union B means the whole set A and B. Then A union C. Here A and C, you have to combine A and C fully. This represents the fourth diagram. Then the fifth one, intersection of these two, A union B intersection A union C, which gives the answer, that is the equal to the second diagram, A union B intersection C. Now from the second diagram and the fifth diagram, it is verified that A union B intersection C is equal to A union B intersection A union C. Look at this, the 2 and 5 are equal. So it is verified. Like that you can do the example sum from the book. Then next sum, 7th sum. In this, if A is equal to minus 2, 0, 1, 3, 5 and set B contains minus 1, 0, 2, 5, 6 and set C contains element minus 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, then show that A minus B union C is equal to A minus B intersection A minus C. Okay, in the left hand side, first we have to find B union C. So B union C means you have to include both the elements from B and C. So you will get the answer as minus 1, 0, 2, 5, 6, 7. Next, A minus B union C. That means we have to eliminate the elements which is common to A and B union C. The common element is 0 and 5. If you eliminate this, the remaining element is minus 2, 1, 3. So that is the answer for the left hand side. Next, to the right hand side, first you are going to find A minus B, which is minus 2, 1, 3 and A minus C, which is minus 2, 0, 1, 3. Then if you intersect these two, you will get minus 1, 2, 3 as the right side answer. So now from the equation 1 and 2, it is verified that A minus B union C is equal to A minus B intersection A minus C. You can look at this from the two equations, first and second. Then we move to the question number 9. In this, verify A minus B intersection C equal to A minus B union A minus C using Venn diagram. In this, the first diagram is B intersection C. So that is a common part between B and C. Then A minus B intersection C. We have to eliminate the B intersection C part from A. So you get the A excluding that B intersection C. Then the right hand side A minus B. In this you have to neglect the B which are having the A part. So you have to shade this A excluding B. Next A minus C. Here we have to exclude the C part which is in the A. So you have to shade the remaining A part. So you will get the fourth diagram. Next, the fifth diagram is union of third and fourth, that is A minus B union A minus C. So if we combine those two, you will get the answer diagram, that is A minus B intersection C part. So from this second diagram and the fifth diagram, if you notice this, from the second and fifth you will get the answer. So it is verified that A minus B intersection C is equal to A minus B union A minus C. Like that you can do the example sums also. Next we will move on to the 10th sum. Here the question is in the set, if U is equal to 4, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 15, 16, then A is equal to 7, 8, 11, 12 and set B contains 4, 8, 12, 15. Verify De Morgan's laws for complementation. Here the set U is equal to 4, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 15, 16 and set A is contains 7, 8, 11, 12 and set B contains 4, 8, 12 and 15. First we have to write the De Morgan's law for complementation, that is A union B whole dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash. So what is the first step? First you have to find out the A union B. That means the elements from A and B. If you combine those two, you will get 4, 7, 8, 11, 12 and 15. Then A union B whole dash, that means universal minus A union B. Whenever you are going to find the dash means complement means you have to subtract from the U. So you have to eliminate the common elements from A union B and U. If you eliminate this 4, 7, 8, 11, 12, 15 from the universal set 4, 7, 8, 11, 12, 15, the remaining elements are 10 and 16. So 10 and 16 is the A union B whole dash. A union B whole dash is 10, 16. Then you are going to find the right hand side. In this the first step is we are going to find the A dash. So you will get the A dash by universal minus A. So you have to eliminate the common element between universal and A. What are the common elements from the universal and A? 7, 8, 11, 12. If you eliminate these 4 elements, the remaining element is 4, 10, 15 and 16. So the A dash is 4, 10, 15 and 16. Then we are going to find the B dash. The B dash is also same as A dash, universal minus B. So universal minus B, we have to eliminate the common element. B has 4, 8, 12 and 15. If we eliminate these 4 elements, the remaining element is 7, 10, 11 and 16. So B dash is equal to 7, 10, 11 and 16. Now we have to intersect these two sets. A dash intersection B dash is equal to 10, 16, which is the common element between A dash and B dash. Now look at the equation 1 and the 2. So A union B whole dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash. These two sets has 10 comma 16 as the common element. So it is verified that A union B whole dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash. Next we will move on to the next sum, 11th one. Verify A intersection B whole dash is equal to A dash union B dash using Venn diagrams. So in the left hand side we have A intersection B whole dash. For the first you are going to find A intersection B. So that is the common parts between A and B. So that is A intersection B. Next we are going to find the A intersection B whole dash. That means universal minus A intersection B. We have to eliminate this A intersection B, other than the part you have to include. So this is the A intersection B whole dash. Next we are going to find the A dash. For the right hand side we are going to find the A dash. That means except A we are going to shade the remaining part. So except A we are shading. Like that we are going to find the B dash. B dash is also same as A dash. Here B is left out, the remaining parts are shaded. Except B we are going to shade the remaining part, that is a B dash. Next A dash union B dash, that is the union of set A dash and B dash gives this fifth diagram. So if you look at this, the fifth diagram and the second diagram looks same. Look at the second diagram and the fifth one, both are equal. So A intersection B whole dash is equal to A dash union B dash. It is verified using Venn diagram. Next we will move on to the sixth sum, that is if A is equal to X such that X is equal to 6n, n belongs to W and n is less than 6, and B is equal to X such that X is equal to 2n, n belongs to n and n lies between 2 and 9, and C is equal to X such that X is equal to 3n, n belongs to n and n lies between 4 and 10. Show that A minus B intersection C is equal to A minus B union A minus C. Okay, first we are going to find the set A, B and C, because all these three are in set builder form. Now we are going to find the elements of A. For that X is equal to 6n, n belongs to W and n is less than 6. So W means whole numbers, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you substitute the value of n as 0 in this 6n, 6 into 0 gives 0, 6 into 1 gives 6, 6 into 2 gives 12, 6 into 3 is equal to 18, 6 into 4 is equal to 24, 6 into 5 is equal to 30. Therefore the set A contains 0, 6, 12, 24, 30. Like that B is equal to X such that X is equal to 2n and n belongs to n lies between 2 and 9. We have to include the 9, left out the 2. So the remaining element is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Substitute the value of X is equal to 2n. Here n is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 2 into 3 gives 6, 2 into 4 is equal to 8, 2 into 5 gives 10, 2 into 6 is equal to 12, 2 into 7 14, 2 into 8 16, 2 into 9 18. So the elements are 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18. Like that we are going to find the C. C is equal to X such that X is equal to 3n, n belongs to natural number, n lies between 4 and 10. We have to include 4 and excluding 10. That is n is equal to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now substitute X is equal to 3n. You will get 3 into 4, 12, 3 into 5, 15, 3 into 6, 18, 3 into 7, 21, 3 into 8, 24, 3 into 9, 27, 3 into 9, 18. So the elements of C are 12, 15, 18, 21, 24 and 27. Now using these three sets A, B and C, we will verify A minus B intersection C is equal to A minus B union A minus C. For that, left hand side is, first we are going to find B intersection C. So that is a common element between B and C, which is 12, 18. Then A minus B intersection C. For that, set A contains 0, 6, 12, 18, 24 and 30. If we eliminate the 12 and 18, the remaining elements in A are 0, 6, 24 and 30. So the A minus B intersection C is equal to 0, 6, 24 and 30. Then in the right hand side, we are going to find the A minus B first. A minus B gives 0, 24, 30 and A minus C gives 0, 6 and 30. If you find the union of these two sets, A minus B and A minus C, you will get 0, 6, 24 and 30. Now look at this left hand side and the right hand side. A minus B intersection C and A minus B union A minus C both are equal. So from the equation 1 and 2, it is verified that A minus B intersection C is equal to A minus B union A minus C. Just I recall the 5 marks in the exercise 1.5. With this, you don't stop. You have to revise all the 1 marks, 2 marks and 5 marks what we revised in the last 3 weeks, and practice it very well and write the exams very well and clearly. When you are writing the test, write the question number and the Roman number correctly and do the sums. Draw the margin, draw the Venn diagram using pencil and shade the necessary part clearly. Do all the sums and get good marks. I hope you will do very well. Thank you and enjoy the day.